Hey guys, this is part 4 of my engine build series. I'm still stuck on the crankshaft bolt right now. A few of you guys commented down below talking about how it took a few sockets or a few things to get it off, and some people are stuck on that right now. So I figured I'd just make this video of me trying to get this crankshaft bolt pulley off. Yeah, so let's get started. Things are going to get creative. So I'm going to try to remove this crank bolt pulley by hand using a pry bar and a cheater pipe. But I need to keep this crankshaft from moving. So what I'm going to be doing is taking these toe straps, or ratchet straps. I'm going to put one all the way in the back over here, crank pulley. And then I'm going to wrap this I'm gonna make this so where you guys can see it, but I gotta do this. Alright. Come on. I'm gonna wrap it around here and bring it through. So I'm bringing this all the way around the motor. I'm going to hook it up to the other hook right here. Alright, and then I'm going to bring it there. See, what I'm trying to do is keeping the pulley from moving. So I got to tighten this down a good amount. I'm probably going to use around 3 ratchet straps. It's tight. I tried this yesterday with 2 ratchet straps, and it ended up just breaking. Now that right there should be good. There's one. Now I'm going to probably put 2 more on the outside right here. So 2 ratchet straps are on right now. I'm putting a 3rd one on. This one I'm going to put on the outside of the pulley right here. This red strap is rated for 430 pounds. The orange is rated for 400, I believe, and the green is rated for 300. But I'm just, geez, these are not wanting to come off. This crank pulley bolt is not wanting to come off at all. A few commenters, like I said before, commented on my video and said that they are having the exact same problem with the bolt and it is not coming off. So I'm really hoping that I'll be able to get this off. This way might work, I'm not sure. I have no idea how this is supposed to work, but I'm just trying to get creative at this moment because this bolt's not coming off. And again, I am dripping sweat right now. It's freaking hot. Whew. Okay. There's that. Bring this around here. Right behind the block again. There. We got the ratchet here. Alright, so these are all tightened down extremely hard. I'm hoping that now I will be able to remove the crank bolt without this crank turning. So there's a total of 4 ratchet straps around this crank pulley right now. So I'm going to grab my pry bar with my 19mm socket and a cheater pipe and try to break away this bolt right here. These ratchet straps are as tight as they can be, so I'm really hoping that it'll keep the crank pulley from moving so I can break that bolt. I tried using the electric impact this morning after it's been soaking in that JB weld, or not JB weld, but the PB blaster for like 18 hours, but still on there. So I'm really hoping that this pry bar and the cheater pipe will get this bolt loose. So I'm going to zoom you back here, and I'm going to see if I can get it. Alright, so I have my pry bar right here with this little pipe that I'm going to be using around the handle to give me more leverage, and I'm hoping that this will be enough to break this. Come on, let's see. Oh, well, okay. So you can see that broke, so I'm gonna have to grab a different thing for a, man, it seems like it's turning the crank still. Jeez. This should be better. This is a bar off of my jack. So let's see if I can break it with that. Man, it's lifting the freaking. Let's see if I can secure this and then. Man. What the Honestly, I have no idea how I'm going to remove this crank bolt right now. It's on there. I'm going to see if I can tighten up these straps and go again one more time. So now I have even more ratchet straps on this crank pulley. I have 6. I have 4 around it tight, and then I have 2 on the fins of this crank pulley to keep it. So when I turn it like this, it's gonna hold it right there, hopefully. So I'm gonna grab this bar here, and I gotta be careful because this this engine stand is trying to turn on me. So let's. Oh my gosh! How is this even? Gosh. I don't understand how this is still on. Alright, let's try this. Damn. Oh my god, I got it! Holy crap! Oh, I thought I was stripping the bolt, but I didn't. Oh, I am so happy right now. Holy son of a gun! Yes! Wow! I am so freaking happy right now. 2 days on this stupid crank pulley bolt. Oh my gosh! I just put so much effort into this stupid crank pulley bolt, and I got it! Did it. Finally, I feel like Kevin in The Office. I did it. Yeah. Woo! Man, okay. Now I'm gonna undo these 6 ratchet straps that took me to hold this pulley from moving, and I'm going to, I'll come back to you and I remove the bolt. Yeah! I'm happy. Jeez. So after removing all the ratchet straps that were on here, there were 4 around the pulley going this way and that way. Then there were 2 on the holes right here holding it in. After all that work, it finally cracked. I actually thought I was rounding the bolt. I wasn't sure, and I felt like it moving it, but I didn't feel like a crack. You know, it was like just slowly going. And yeah, look at that. So the bolt is finally off. The most stubborn bolt I've ever dealt with is finally there. That stupid bolt right here. All it is. This stupid bolt is finally undone. I am happy. I'm glad. So I'm gonna grab a rubber mallet because this pulley's probably on there a little bit. Alright, so I just have this little rubber mallet here, and I'm just gonna kind of just hammer around and see if it'll just allow this pulley to come off. I'm just gonna kind of tap it a little bit. Oh, yeah, look at that. There we go. It is off. Finally, it took time, but it is finally off, and I'm very happy. Hey guys, part 4 is complete. I finally got that stupid bolt out. As you can see, I'm very happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this around. Also, please comment down below if there's any ways I can improve the video, whether that is video quality wise, sound quality wise, editing, anything like that. Please just let me know down in the comments ways I can improve the videos. You're my viewers, and I want to make sure that you guys enjoy it just as much as I enjoy making them for you. So thanks for watching, and new video should be out in the next 2 days.